Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach you different digital skills that you can do to start making money online. And also in this channel, I teach you different online businesses that you can actually venture into and make cool money from. And in today's video, I'll be showing you a website that you can actually start working as a Nigerian and get paid straight into your bank account. You don't need to use a PayPal, Payoneer, or any other uh, outside payment method. And on this website that I will be revealing to you, you don't need more skills to get started. All what you need is just your smartphone, your internet connection, and little out of your time every day, and you'll be making reasonable amount of money per day. Then how do we get started? Before we continue, kindly subscribe to this channel. You will see the subscribe button, kindly click on it and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I release amazing content like this, you'll be the first person to be aware of it. So please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, and also like this video and comment on it. Let's dive straight into the website that I want to show to us. I will drop the link to register on this website in the description section. So just click on description, you will see the link to register. I want to sign up with that link. You'll be given an instant 500 naira welcome bonus. Okay, so this is a website. The name of the website is called Naira Workers. Naira Workers, that's the name of the website. And it's easy to sign up. All you need to enter is just your first name, my first name, my last name, my username. Let me use Felix. Okay, this is my email. Then this is the name of the referrer. Just leave this place, it has already been filled for you. Then you choose your password and you confirm your password. And also please take note of something. Creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. It is one account per person. Please don't create two accounts so that you won't risk being blocked on the website. If you have two accounts, both accounts might get blocked. Do you understand? Okay, the next thing now is to click on login. You know, sorry, you click on sign up, but because I already have an account on it, all I have to do is just to log in. I'll click on login. Remember, I can't create two accounts, so that's why I just have to log into the account. Let me enter my password. Okay, so I've signed in, and here is this save. Here is the dashboard. It's very simple to navigate through. Here's my dashboard. Welcome, fellow mighty. Hire many random workers. Perform simple tasks. Here, you can actually hire workers to work for you. Like if you need Facebook likes, if you need Facebook followers, you need YouTube subscribers and the likes. All you have to do is just to click on this hire many random workers, and you can get people to work for you that you're going to pay them just little amount of money. And also, if you want to work and earn online, all you have to do is just to click on this perform simple or small tasks. Like I told you, the tasks are very simple, and you can make as much as 800 naira to 1000 naira daily on it. Just spend a little out of your time. Uh, you can use your smartphone to do this task. Do you understand? So I'm using my laptop so that it will be very big and bold so that everyone will be able to see it very well. That's why I'm using my laptop. Actually, you can use your phone, your smartphone, to do all these tasks. You just click on this perform simple task, and you're going to see the task that you can actually do and get paid for it. Okay, so here are the available jobs. Trading tutorial 101. This is a WhatsApp group. Telegram channel, Goldmine, L Credits, Pampay, Nextform, and the likes. So these are actually simple tasks that you can be doing and get paid for. Do you understand? So let's click on one of these jobs. Let's click on one of these jobs. Let's view job. You can open it in a new tab or just click on it directly. It's still the same thing. Okay, let's look at it, and please look at the job details very well before you do any job. Comprehensive 7 free forex training, the Light Academy, and the likes, featuring these days, this. Okay, so here's the link to do the task. Here's the link to join the WhatsApp group. The required proof that task was finished. The job to share the full post to 3 different groups or WhatsApp, Telegram. Once shared, you are required to take screenshots of your post. Each screenshot for each of groups you shared it to. You mustn't share to groups you have shared to before. I hope you understand. You immediately paid as soon as the screenshots are reviewed. Ensure to accurately follow the above instruction in order to get paid. So please take note of the instructions for each of these jobs so that you will get paid. And if you are required to type username, just type it here. But suppose you want to uh upload image, just click on this choose file. If you want to upload one image, then click on this choose file. If you want to upload 2 images, you can use this one, then another one again. If it's 3 images, you can use the third one. Do you understand? So let's look at another task that you can actually do on this website and get paid for it. Gold mine affiliate income. Let's look at what this one entails. Okay, so what is expected from workers? The task, you simply click on the referral link to register with my referral link and registration code. Remember, you have to register and have to confirm your name under my downline to approve your payments. Reach me on WhatsApp. This is when you are done with registration or you don't know how to register. Required proof. The proof you must provide is as you have successfully registered with my referral link, and I want to is and all I want is your dashboard as I put on the image, and I must confirm your name on my downline before I can approve payments. Do you understand? So it's very simple to do. It's very simple to do. Let's even try it out. Let's try this one out. Let's do it together so that you can see how it's being done. Okay, my browser is checking. Okay, here it is. Can you see it now? All I have to do is just to enter my full name. And once I enter my full name, my username, let me use Fellow Mighty, password. Okay, password. Okay, let me enter it again. Password. Then my email, my telephone. I'm a Nigerian, so I have to use the what's it called? Okay, 23481. Okay, activation code. Don't have a code. Guess code. Click WhatsApp to message vendor. Okay. Okay, this is gold mine. This is gold mine. This is gold mine. Okay. So that's how the task is. That's how the task is. I'm not signing up on gold mine. Do you understand? So if you want to sign up on gold mine, you can actually go ahead to do that. This is an investment platform. Do you understand? So you can actually register on this, and then you send the proof to this person that you have done that. Then Once your work has been approved, you will get paid for it. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that. And for this task, you will be paid 32 naira point 50 kobo. 32 naira times 10, that's almost 300 plus. Imagine if you should do this task and within 10 minutes you should be able to do that. Imagine you're able to do this kind of task 15 times daily. That's money. So to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 2000 naira. It's 2000 naira, and the withdrawal day is Friday every week. And if you want to withdraw, assuming tomorrow is Friday and you want to withdraw, you need to place your withdrawal today so that your withdrawal will be processed, and tomorrow it will be credited into your bank account. So it's as simple as this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button, and also like this video and comment. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time I post nice content like this, you'll be the first person to be aware, to be notified about it. Thank you very much. You can as well check my other videos on this channel. It should be of great benefit to you. Thank you very much. See you again very soon.